there, this is Rachel here at Subaru Puyallup, and today we're going to go over how to use valet mode in a 2023 Legacy or Outback. So I'll first go to my settings, scroll down to valet mode, and then I've already set a password to 1234, but I'm going to change it so that you can see. I'm going to enter my password, and then I'm going to create a new one so that you guys can see. And then I'm going to confirm my new password. And then I'm going to set active valet mode. And then I have to type in my password again. And now all of my apps have been blacked out so that if I'm in a service drive or I let someone else drive my car, they can't see any of my previous locations, my contact information, anything like that. The car will still drive the same. And if I want to deactivate it, you just scroll and tap that, and then you tap your code in again and press OK. If you have any questions, please reach out to Subaru Puyallup today, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.